Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube lagging and drop frames on Google Chrome. Let's begin. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser. On the home page, move your cursor to the top right corner. Click on the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From there, select Settings. This will open a new tab with various options. Scroll down until you find the section called Reset and Clean Up. Click on the first option under this section. It should say Restore settings to their original defaults or similar. Once you click it, a new window will appear. Confirm the action to reset your settings. Next, go to the System section within the Settings menu. Look for any options that say Use hardware acceleration when available or something similar. Disable these settings by toggling them off. After making these changes, click the Relaunch button to restart Google Chrome. The browser will close and reopen automatically. This step is necessary for the changes to take effect. Once Chrome restarts, check YouTube again. The lag and drop frames, especially at 60 FPS, should now be fixed. These settings help clear background processes and improve playback performance. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.